Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can set up this VPN to enjoy a fast and secure internet connection while browsing online. Now let's get started. Open any web browser on your phone. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you normally prefer. Once your browser opens, go to the search bar at the top and type the name of the website where the VPN file is available. After typing it, tap the search button. From the search results, look for the official website link and open it. In this tutorial, we will use the website SSH UDP Online. Always make sure you select the correct website to avoid downloading anything unsafe. After the homepage loads completely, locate and tap on the menu icon, which is usually shown as 3 horizontal lines at the top corner of the website. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Free VPN and tap on it. This will take you to the VPN download section where different VPN applications are available. On the VPN page, scroll through the list and find Bolt Shield VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Now tap on the download button to start downloading the app to your device. The download may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so please wait until it finishes. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open to launch the application for the first time. When the app opens, there are a few simple settings you need to complete so the VPN works properly. First, tap on the 3 lines located at the top corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu options, select Update Resources. This step refreshes the app data to ensure you get the best performance while using it. Next, you will need to choose your country network. Tap on the selection box and open the server list. In the search bar, type UDP because in today's tutorial we are focusing on UDP servers. If UDP is not supported in your country, you can choose another available network from the list. After searching, select any UDP server that works best for your location. If your connection time finishes while using the VPN, you can extend it by tapping the Add Time button inside the app. Finally, to start the secure connection, tap the Start button. After a few seconds, the VPN will connect successfully. Thank you for watching this tutorial.